Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 10Q systems for Hyundai Santa Fe 2018 to 2020 years. Okay, you can check this front panel, and it comes special canvas box and harness, so it is plug and play. This canvas box and this harness. Okay, you can check. So it plug and play. Okay, let me show it. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay. This volume button. This radio. This nav button. Next button. This volume. And Navi button built in Google Maps. And built-in Wi-Fi. This Belsee.com. Please, if you have any more questions, please visit our website Belsee.com, Belsee.com. Okay. All apps are here. You can check setting. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car kit unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose a Hyundai logo and theme editor. You can adjust any color on this panel. You can choose gray. Okay, let me choose the Belsee logo and I choose red. All apps are here. It's AC. It will show AC information on the screen. DSP amplifier and built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It's speed play, you can check. Speed play, it's for Android and Apple CarPlay. Android and Apple CarPlay, it's plug and play. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi. And support 4G mobile phone and hotspot from your phone. About motion, you can check PX6 chip, and Android 10 system. And the total 64GB. Okay, firstly let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check lamp, click, choose Bluetooth. It's pin code. Okay, please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Disable and enable Bluetooth. Click search. Okay, click pair button. Please put 40 Okay, connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works. And let me check the stream music from your phone. Okay. Stream music. Let me show the play music from your phone. The head unit will come with 2 USB cable. You can check this USB cable. Connect one of USB. It will play music automatically. And DSP amplifier. Balance. Okay. And play video. Video disabled for your safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Car settings, personal setting. No. Driving settings. Turn on the watch video. The full screen. Okay, it's built-in make phone and reset all. You can download the application from Play Store. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can visit our website belsee.com. Okay, that's all. Thank you.